video operation tutorial. Take out the product accessories in turn. Parts list. Use the battery first. The remote control is fully charged after use. Connect the charging cable to the battery first. Plug the other end into the power supply with a USB port for charging. When charging, the red light is on, and the red light is off when it is full. Connect the charging cable to the remote first. Plug the other end into the power supply with a USB port for charging. When charging, the red light is on, and the red light is off when it is full. Pre-flight preparation. Deploy the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a level ground. Powered on the drone. Open the remote control switch. Drone's automatic frequency alignment. The external 8-punch rod calibrates the gyroscope. Light flash to long light calibration success. Left rocker pushed forward to start the drone motor, and then pushed off. One click take off. Rose. Descent. Left rotation. Right rotation. Advance. Recoil. Left hand flying. Right hand flying. The default startup gear is low. After pressing the drop 2 sounds for medium speed. After pressing drip 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 3 sounds for high gear. Press the power up button to adjust the camera upwards. Press the camera downward power button to adjust the camera downward. Press the 360 omnidirectional intelligent obstacle avoidance button. The drone turns on 360 omnidirectional intelligent obstacle avoidance. Press the 360 stunt tumbling button. The drone achieves a 360 stunt roll. Insert SD card. Press the screen power button to open the remote control screen. Tap the photo button to take a picture. Press the video button to record. Press the video button again to stop recording. Press and hold the shoot button to view the photo. Press the up and down buttons to view photos. Press and hold the return button to exit the view. Press and hold the video button to view the video recording. Press the up and down buttons to view the video. Press the back button to play the video. Press and hold the return button to exit the view. One touch landing. Blade replacement. Use a screwdriver to loosen the lower blade screws and remove the blade. Note the distinction between A and B blade. Install corresponding blades. Open the QR code on the scanning manual. Download the app and install it. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect the signal from the beginning of HF. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the drone app. Ready to